Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting algebra problem in which we have to find the value of x for the equation 12x squared equals to 63 minus 3 times x raised to the power 4. Now let m equals to x squared to make our equation more simple. So we get 12m equals to 63 minus 3 times m squared. Now bring this term to the left hand side. We get 3m squared plus 12m minus 63 equals to 0. Now divide this whole equation by 3. We get m squared plus 4m minus 21 equals to 0. So we have the quadratic equation and we can find the value of m by applying the quadratic formula, which states that if an equation written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, so we can find the value of x by x equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So apply this formula over here, we get m equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 21 divided by 2 times 1. So on solving this, we get m equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square is 16, then minus 4 times 1 times minus 21 is 84 divided by 2. So we get m equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 100 divided by 2. So on further solving this, we get m equals to minus 4 plus minus 10 divided by 2. From here, we have two values of m, that is m1 equals to minus 4 plus 10 divided by 2. So we get 3, and m2 is minus 4 minus 10 divided by 2. From here, we get minus 7. Now, as we have assumed m is x squared, so we will put respective values to find the values of x. So in case 1, when m is 3 equals to x squared, from here the x is equal to plus minus root 3. And in our second case, where m equals to minus 7, so x squared equals to minus 7, so x equals to plus minus under root minus 7. That means it's an imaginary number. Hence, no real solution is possible in this case. So we have only the two values of x, that is plus root 3 minus root 3, that are possible. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.